What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be putting a window banner on Goliath, or sticker, however you want to call it. I'm sure most of you guys know how to do this already, but if you don't, this video is for you. Guys, so this is the banner that's going to be going on Goliath. This font here is the actual Gargoyles font. Now if you notice, the eye does not have a dot, and that's because Goliath himself is going to be going on there representing that dot. Now before we get started on this video, guys, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, tap that notification button, that way you can stay updated on future videos. And also, if you guys have Instagram, do me this big favor. I really appreciate it from everybody. Go follow double.a.j.vinyl on Instagram, and that's a small business page my wife and I started where we make cool decals like that, banners, whatever it is that you guys need. So whether it's to support yourself or to represent your Instagram, YouTube, or even if you got a huge following and they like to support you and they want to buy stuff off of you for support for you guys, let us know. Hit us up, give us a DM, and let us know that you came from the Force Induction channel. We'll give you 20% off anything you guys want. Alright, now we're back to the video. So these are the few things that you're going to need in order to put your sticker or your decal on the car. Something to clean the glass, microfiber cloth to make sure everything is nice and dry. We're going to use 3M painter's tape to hold the banner. Usually if you're doing a big sticker, you're going to need this. If you're doing something small like this guy, you won't really need any of this. Scissors, because we'll be cutting parts of this off. I'll show you guys what I mean. And then a credit card or something to press down on the decal to make sure it snugs up on the window real good. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is grab our glass cleaner. We're going to spray the windshield down really good, and then we grab our microfiber cloth and we're going to dry it up, make sure everything is nice and clean. Now that the window is nice and clean, we're going to grab our banner and try to center it as much as possible on the windshield. And the painter's tape, this is what we're going to use to hold it into place, just to make sure it's nice and centered. Alright, so I eyeballed it as good as I could, and that looks like it's right in the center. So what we're going to end up doing next is we're going to grab the transfer tape right here. We're going to peel the sticker back, and then this white background, we're going to end up cutting that with the scissors, and then we're going to lay it back down, and with the little squeegee or credit card, whatever you got, you're going to make sure you get no air bubbles as you apply it down. Now you can see that we got the first half done. Now we're going to do the same thing with this side. We're going to lift the transfer tape up with the sticker. We're going to slide the rest of the white background off of that, and then put the sticker nice and laid down nice and easy. Alright, so looking good so far. The hard part is done. Now the last thing we got to do is just remove this transfer tape right here. Now when you remove this, don't pull up. You want to pull away from it, because if you pull up, you're going to risk taking this back off the windshield. So if you're pulling away from it towards an angle that way, it's going to come off a lot smoother and a lot easier. So let me just show you guys. Alright boys, and there you have it. Now you guys officially know how to put on a windshield banner. If you ever get your own, you know exactly what to do. And now I'm gonna just go throw this guy on real quick. I'm not gonna board you guys because you already know how to do this. And I'm gonna show you guys the final result in a couple minutes. Alright boys, here's the final result, and I think it looks amazing. This look alive is all good to go on this part. I really think it came out great. So I appreciate you guys tuning into another video, and as always, keep on watching. Catch you on the next.